Ngayong hapon, kaninong buhay naman kaya ang pagtsitsismisan natin? Tsismosa yung reader. Sabay-sabay nating alamin, tandaan ninyo yung mga reminders natin, no? Feel the connection. Pag tinatawag kayo ng reading, maaaring nakapaloob dito ang mga mensaheng meant to hear ninyo. At just take only what resonates. Oh, parang medyo meron ditong sabog yung feelings, no? Yan. Or parang medyo shaky yung kanyang damdamin. Oh, this person right here just can't, literally, okay, take you out sa kanyang head. Okay? You keep on making sulpot, no, sa kanyang isipan dito, no? So, I do pick up that whoever is this, walang araw, okay, walang gabi na hindi ka naiisip ng taong ito. Whoever is this is someone here considering you na ikaw ang the best. You know? Or it's like saying, no, you are the best thing na nangyari sa life ko. Empress. Okay? Eight of Swords. But I do see that with the Eight of Swords energy, hindi mo yan alam. Pero yan ang nire-reveal, no, ng ating mga cards rito, no, as per the energies, no, speaking dito, no, coming from this past lover of yours. Okay. Seven of Cups, Five of Coins, Six. Oh, the Six and the Seven of Cups together with the Five of Coins energy. Yeah, you're hearing that song. Day after day, time passes away, and I just can't get you off my mind. You know? Yeah, mga babes, no? See, look at that. See, day after day, hindi talaga niya kayo rito may alas sa kanyang isipan, no? And if I'm not mistaken, no, there's also that kind of lyric, no? I know that song, no, also has that lyric na night after night, I hear myself say, why can't these feelings just fade away? You know? Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, just can't literally take you off sa kanyang mind. This person here keeps on thinking about you day by day, night after night. Whoa. So I do believe that this person right here, no, is seeing you as the Empress. You are, yeah, I just heard love of my life. You are the love of my life. You are the best thing I ever had. Yan, no, pero had kasi yun eh, 'di ba? Past tense yun eh, ibig sabihin eh, no? So kung sino man 'to, hindi mo yan alam kasi yan ay mukhang sinasabi niya lang sa kanyang sarili. Yan ay kanya rito, no, na yeah, this person here is talking to his or herself, no? All of these things, yan, na parang hindi na nakarating yung mensahe na yan sa inyo, no? Through him. Pero, with our energies right in here, the universe is telling me yan yung mensahe niya for you guys. So, let me see. Hierophant. Oh, strength card energy. Sun in reverse. Bottom of the deck, we've got the Four of Wands. Oh. Okay. This person here is definitely sad. Yeah. Okay. So before we dive more sa inyong reading, batiin muna natin ang lahat. Hi and hello there everyone, my name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Istam buyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi nyo pa knows, meron pa tayo na other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. So if interesado, click lamang yung link na yan para kayo mapunta there at araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At syempre, kung hindi mo pa rin knows mga babes, no? Okay, meron tayo dito sa channel na ito na main channel ng mga reading per zodiac sign. Okay? So, pwede nyo ring antabayanan. Yan, no? And yes, no, sa ating mga readings, no, wala tayong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT. Pwede magkapalit-palit ang mga roles kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na pwede nyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. Ibig sabihin, no, kung gusto ninyong i-claim yung mga mensahe or hindi, it's up to you. At syempre lahat ng mga readings ay timeless, meaning to say pwedeng nangyari na sa iba sa inyo, sa iba ay nangyayari na ngayon sa kasalukuyang moment at sa iba ay mangyayari pa lang. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates. But definitely, someone here is viewing you now as the Empress. Ikaw ang the best. Yan. When we say ikaw ang the best 'no, ano yung unang pupasok sa isip ninyo, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin parang ikaw ito 'no, na best thing na nangyari daw sa kanyang life na meaning to say kumbaga parang dito sa lifetime na 'to, nare-realize niya 'no, na ikaw yung pinakamaganda rito 'no, na twist na nangyari sa life niya 'no, or yung climax na nangyari sa life niya 'no. This person with the Nine of Cups energy is an energy right here 'no, feeling grateful na naging part ka ng kanyang lifetime here on earth 'no. But, aside from feeling grateful, this person here is sad din 'no, because ito ay nananatili na lamang mga memories 'no. So, with the Nine of Swords energy 'no, ito ay isang klase ng energy 'no, not fighting. This person right here nagpapakain siya rito 'no, sa mga, um, emotions 'no, na nararamdaman niya 'no, which are negative emotions 'no, like sadness and nostalgia. Feeling guilty about something, okay? And with that part 'no, feeling guilty about something 'no, maaaring may nagawa 'to sa inyo na puwedeng feeling niya walang kapatawaran dito 'no, or, um, hindi na ito mga babes 'no, muli pa 'no, na mabibigyan ng another chance 'no, yung inyong connection because of that, what he or she is feeling guilty about. Definitely holding back, Four of Coins energy. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, this person right here 'no, yang ikaw ang the best thing na nangyari sa kanyang life ay laman lamang ng kanyang thoughts at hindi niya yan talaga nasabi sa'yo, okay? Especially ngayon, the energy is telling me ngayon that this person right in here 'no, is someone who is realizing but it's too late na, 'di ba? Na ikaw yung best na nangyari sa kanyang life or you are the best dito 'no. Puwedeng nagkaroon rin siya ng connections dito kasi may mga nakita rin ako ditong mga nakilala niya 'no, na-meet niya guys 'no, pero wala talaga 'no, you are still the best, okey, dito. Okey, ikaw pa rin dito ang nasa top, okey, you are still the high pedestal rito para sa kanya and this person here is holding a lot of memories 'no. Alam mo yung ano, nurturing only your memories 'no, thinking about, reminiscing about your happy memories 'no, together, pero hanggang dun lang, okey? Definitely bina-block niya yung sarili niya rito, yung sarili niya in other words 'no, what do you mean miss yan be bina-block 'no? Pinipigilan niya yung sarili niya definitely 'no, to reach out to you, to contact you, to not tell you that you are the best, to not tell you that he or she feels guilty, to not tell you that he or she is definitely sad or lonely right now. Like, pinipigilan niya yung sarili niya na any of those things ay ma-mention at maparating niya sa'yo. This person is living in silence, Hierophant energy, no? But definitely weak, 'di ba? Okay? When you add 8 plus 5, what will you get mga babes? Okay? Ilan? May mga nagbibilang, 13, 'di ba? Yung iba gumanon pa, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, yun nga mga babes, 'no? Ibig sabihin, number 13 in the tarot is the death energy. Okay? Ibig sabihin talagang may ending na nangyari rito, no? And even though this person here wants rebirth, hindi niya tinatangka. Mm. Okay? Kahit gustong-gusto niya talaga rito, no? Alam mo, the sun is in reverse position. This person wants to be happy. Okay? But is definitely choosing to live in darkness. Maybe this person here thinks deserved niya yun. 'Di ba? Kasi ano siya yung guilt na nararamdaman niya to the point na above average, no? Kumbaga sa sahod, no, above minimum. Ganong klase ng energy. So with the sun in reverse energy, this person wants to be happy. And in order for him to be truly happy, no? Maraming nagpapasaya sa bawat tao 'pag tinanong mo, "Ano nagpapasaya sa'yo, miss?" Yan, 'no. "Uy, sir, ano nagpapasaya sa'yo?" Yan, iba-iba ang isasagot nila. Pero dito, 'no, this person, in order for him to really feel happy and to really live, 'no, his or her life at its fullest, okay, is kayo, okay? Kayo, 'no. So, it's meaningless, okay, ngayon that you're not with him or her, no, that you're not with this person's side. Okay? Walang naiparating rito na kahit isa dun sa mga binanggit ko kasi pinili niyang manahimik. That's why the Hierophant and the Strength card is right here because this person here is living in hush-hush or silence, 'di ba? Feeling weak. Yan, no? So, with the Four of Wands energy for the bottom of the deck, together with the King of Cups right in here, the Moon card, definitely this person right here loves you. And hindi nagfe-fail, no, na walang araw, walang gabi na hindi kayo naiisip nitong tao na to. Okay? Pero etong pagmamahal na ito, yan, no, ay pinipili na lang niya ritong itago. The Moon energy is an energy of hiding something. Okay? Yung true emotions and feelings, no, na nare-reveal, no, in the dark uh, place, no, okay? Yun yung sinisigaw talaga niya rito, no? This person right here is someone who lives in loneliness right now. This person right here is someone who suffers, especially emotionally right now. Okay? But this person right here is someone, no, na feeling niya deserve niya 'to, 'yan, 'no. Because this person here is, feeling guilty of something and kung ano man 'yon, 'no, maaaring may specific situation siyang nagawa sa'yo, like I'm pertaining sa kasalanan niya sa'yo. Others of you could be married with this person, maybe this is your ex-husband, ex-wife right in here. Okay? Yung iba kung asawa mo 'to mga babes, 'no, maaaring hindi kayo annulled or hindi naman na-divorce or wala namang papers dito na nalakad, 'no, okey, ng legal na paghihiwalay, okey. Pero yung iba doesn't have to be na asawa niyo 'yan, possible na 'yan ay ang ka-live-in partner ninyo, but for others, that is your boyfriend or girlfriend, 'no. Yun ang nakita natin dito. But definitely, no, the main energy of this person is gusto niya maging happy at mukhang pinipili niya rito mamuhay ng tahimik. Pero lahat ng binanggit natin rito ay yun ang kanyang thoughts, no? Okay? You are in this person's thoughts day by day, night after night. 'No? Pero wala, 'no, wala siyang i-re-reveal na kahit na alin diyan sa'yo, 'no? Kaya nga si universe yung gumawa ng paraan para makarating 'yan sa'yo, okey? Kasi halo-halo ang energies niyo rito. May mga energies rito na, puwedeng curious kayo sa kung anong iniisip ng person na 'to sa inyo ngayon. Yung iba naman maybe because you are waiting for this person here to come back, 'no, itong thoughts niya rito, okey? And yung iba naman mga babes 'no is parang, wala kayong pakialam dito 'no, pero maaaring yun nga curious kayo to know ano na bang nangyayari sa kanya. Then ito yun, okay? In other words, it's a torture for this person, okay? And I'm gonna tell you, this is what this person here is feeling heavily right now sa kasalukuyan or present moment. So yeah, for the initials right in here, unang-una na dyan, okay, capital letter J, no? At bukod sa letter J, nakakuha na tayo ng capital letter D. Okay. So maliban dyan, may mga other letters pa, letter N, letter S, letter O, letter T, letter G, and last but not the least, the letter I. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much for your time here. And again, I'm Yana on ni Sarang Hale Love and Light. Annyeong.